Hello, good day everyone. My name is Sherwin J. Torrente Ogana and from Eastern Samar State University, Salcedo Campus. So as part of our midterm assignment, we're given 3 questions to answer. So the first question is, which fintech concept from class week 1 to 7 was most relevant to our country? So the concepts that are relevant to our country, the Philippines, is the regulatory risk, financial technology, business models. So in the aspect of consumer protection issues, Filipino people are having lack of understanding when it comes to online lending. So because some people, they tend to use some online lending applications without even understanding or reading the rules and regulations. Because due to the applications using vague words that are hard to understand or that are difficult to understand. And that's why many people tend to use the lending applications with a limited knowledge. Example, recently one of the online wallet applications, the GCash, has been updated their system. So it happens that there is some balance, or that there are some balance of the users are being gone, and lately or later it will get back to the user. So the problem there is many consumers tend to give a bad feedback to the applications because of this what happens. So without even knowing that the applications or the system needs to update so that the security will become strong. So there is also a drawbacks of updating the system of an applications because sometimes in GCash the balance of some consumers are totally gone. So the questions number 2, how would you apply that knowledge to help your community or hometown? So my answer for this question, I will apply this knowledge to help my community or hometown by informing them that every time they will use online lending applications or online wallet applications, they should read comprehensively the rules and regulations, the agreements before they use that applications. So if they were experienced difficulties in understanding those agreements, those rules and regulations, I will offer myself to them to understand those concepts. Also, I will inform them that they should be cautious enough when using the applications because we call